In the previous video, we looked at the general rules for driving through an intersection at a four-way stop sign and found out what does FIFO mean. Let's look at a few more examples. Sometimes, two cars can proceed at the same time, regardless of who arrives first. The key point to understand is that if the cars' paths do not intersect, they can move through the intersection simultaneously. For example, if two cars arrive at the same time and both need to go straight, not crossing each other's paths, they can proceed at the same time. The car turning right and the car going straight, not crossing, so no FIFO here. Two cars turning right at the same time, there are no way crossing each other. Two cars turning left at the same time, as long as they do not cross each other, they can go at the same time. However, if the intersection is small and the two cars would collide if they tried to go at the same time, they should follow the general agreement. Maintain eye contact with the other driver to decide who goes first. Two cars arrive at the same time. One car is turning left, and the other is going straight. Since their paths cross, the car going straight has the right of way over the car turning left. So, first goes the car going straight, followed by the car turning left. Two cars at the stop line at the same time. One car turns right, the other turns left. The car turning right has a right of way over the car turning left. The vehicle on the left arrived at the stop line first, but at that moment, a pedestrian is crossing the crosswalk, so the driver must yield. In this case, the car on the right, which arrived second, does not need to wait for the car on the left to complete its maneuver. Let's look at the another situation. The key point to understand is that cars stopped at the stop line are considered in the order they arrive, forming a queue. In this case, multiple cars stopped simultaneously, but this car goes first because it was the first to stop at the line. Then TI's car proceeds, and it doesn't matter if another car is already stopped on the right. The rule remains: whichever car stops first at the white line goes first. Let's look at the situation again with no comments and explanations. Let's see the last situation. What to do when there is a two-way stop sign. In case of two-way stop sign, there are no stop signs in two directions, so that car have a stop sign must yield to the car don't have a stop sign, just like in this animation. Therefore, at a two-way stop sign you must always stop fully, creep up to look for oncoming traffic, and proxt when the way is clear. Sometimes accidents occur when a driver mistakenly assumes that a four-way stop sign is in place out of habit. Always stay alert and double-check the signs.